Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a project share. It's a gorgeous mini version of my original Santa's Gift Sack project. This one was done by Kimberly Jones, the fabulous Kimberly Jones. Look at how cute. So a few years back, I made this project. It's about twice the size of this, okay? The other one, I think it was maybe a 12 by 12. This one is approximately 9 by 9. All right, so it's such a cute size, guys. It does have the mini album on the inside, and it is the most gorgeous, gorgeous centerpiece. I have this on my coffee table. I took a photograph of it and everything because it's so freaking cute. Kimberly, thank you for giving me cuteness overload here with this project. It's so beautiful. The paper collection here is titled A Very Merry Christmas. It is a Paper Phenomenon paper collection, and you can find it in my shop right now. So let me take you on a tour, guys. So look at the beautiful three-dimensional embellishments on here. So cute. You can get super fancy with this, guys. I mean, I don't know if you can get any more fancier than this, but it's even got some cinnamon sticks in here, which give you that really beautiful Christmassy smell that we love. I mean, literally, it smells good. Okay, the cute little almost like Santa pom-poms they look like to me. Super beautiful. You do not have to untie this. Okay, it's glued on there and you open it like this. Okay, let me do it like this. My hands are not big enough. So you get two parts to it. All right, so you kind of decorate the front. See that? And then you decorate the back. And then when you close it, it looks like one piece because this kind of just seals everything together. All right, so super, super adorable. Because this is a mini version of the original project, there's a mini in here. So it's really cute. Let's take a look at this paper for a minute. How beautiful that is. Those snowflakes look like they're twinkling. And they're just beautiful. Very, very dimensional, the paper collection. Very fun, very festive, very youthful, but still with that touch of elegance that you can take it both ways, whether it's going to be something for kids or an adult party. It has a beautiful balance. I promise you, you're going to love it. All right. So A Very Merry Christmas by Paper Phenomenon. I love saying that. So the mini album, guys. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I have a cold. Okay. Side loading pocket, top loading pocket here. I believe this is an accordion. It absolutely is. So lots of room for photos, but remember it's a mini. So you've got 3x3s here and 3x4s. So you would have to crop. Okay. This opens up like that. Still, although it's little, it's got a lot of room. In the original size, you can fit 4x6s. So this would be 4x6, 4x6, 4x6. Okay. But it's so cute in this small size. Side loading pocket. Look at that. How cute is that border? Oh, I love the paper. Look at how cute. We've got the elasticized closure here. So what does this mean to you guys, right? Let me rewind. If you already purchased this project, the original Santa's Gift Sack in the larger size, you're going to get the cutting guide and the SVG files to make the smaller one. It's not a separate purchase. If you haven't purchased this and you purchase it now, you get both the large Santa sack and the mini Santa sack. With the mini album and the larger album, you get them both. Okay. So a little gift for you guys who already purchased this way back when I made it, and something special for those of you who pick it up now. All right, so let's continue. Beautiful. Another accordion. So this album seems to be all about the accordion, which is fabulous. Interaction, lots of room for photos, low profile, right? So beautiful all the way around. Look at that. Gorgeous paper. Gorgeous. And again, the pages are identical. They repeat themselves, but they always look different depending. Why am I torturing myself? Depending on how you arrange your paper. All right, so your paper's setup absolutely dictates the look. All right, you get all sorts of different things. So here we've got photo, right? Here we did photo pattern paper. Let's see what we got over here. Look at that, how beautiful. That's just photos on the inside, so I'm not going to open it. Oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. Kimberly did a beautiful job. Photo. The paper has really large, bold designs, but look at how well they work back on a small mini album. You just chop that paper up, guys, and you use it. You use it to fill these beautiful spaces. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. Wow. Love. And I didn't count, but there's a ton of room here for photos, right? It all depends. Oh, how lovely. I love that crossover matting. Beautiful. It all depends how many spaces you want for your photos. I mean, truly. If you want more pattern paper, you do more pattern paper. If you want more pictures, then you do more picture spaces. The end. Absolutely gorgeous. She did a full wrap with the same paper all the way around. And it's beautiful, guys. The colors on this paper, they seem so velvety. So you're really, really going to enjoy this. So this one goes in like this. What's super cute about this, that depending on the, hold on, let me find it. Let's see if any of the Christmas shakers fit in here. If I could find them. What do I do with them? Sometimes my baby girl steals my stuff. And I find them in her toy room. So, and I think she took my Christmas shakers. No way. Oh boy. Oh well. If you have Fast and Fun inserts, I'll show you some of the fall ones, right? If you have Fast and Fun inserts, you have some room in there. You can absolutely put some of the shakers in there. Okay. So let me show you what I have here, because there's some small ones, larger ones. So let's see if anything fits in here. Oh, I think I found the Christmas ones. Yay. Hang on a minute. These are fall. These are the fall shakers. And these are the Christmas ones. So let's see. This one, it's not going to fit. This one is from Fast and Fun Inserts 1. This is from Fast and Fun Inserts 2, guys. You get the shakers. Oh, the tree will fit in there. This one is definitely not going to fit. Oh, the snowman's got to fit in there. No, the snowman doesn't fit in there. Okay, tree so far. A little sneak peek. Oh, and this bauble. This ornament will fit in there. So if you want, you can put 2 shakers in here and the album. Or you can put a shaker on the cover. Look at how cute that is. Either way, it works, guys. Shaker on the cover or just do some loose shakers on the inside. So we know that 2 of the shakers fit in here. So we've got a snow globe, and we got this cute little mitten. Look at how cute. So if you have Fast and Fun Inserts 2, these are going to be in your January folder. And some more surprises. All right, so mini Santa sack. Don't forget about them. These are all Fast and Fun Inserts 2. Right, so these are the fall ones. They're adorable. Look at the leaves, how gorgeous. Just absolutely darling. Look at that. All right, this is about Christmas stuff, guys, but I digress, as always. Mini Santa gift sack. Absolutely adorable. If you own it already, you get the large and the small one. All right, this will be uploaded to your project folder. If you do not own it, you get them both in the same purchase. All right, it doesn't get any better than that. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you all.